Hey guys, it's Miss Happy Naomi. So we're doing a challenge today. It's called Breathing Challenge. So yeah, you need a timer, just like this. And also, here's what you will do. Um, Hold your breath as far as you could. And when you can't hold it much longer, uh, you need to breathe it out. Okay, let's get started. One, two, three.
Can I fix split ends without cutting my hair short?
I recommend the new Tresemme Split Repair. It treats damage and binds up to 88% of split ends.
Forget split ends.
Tresemme. Salon gorgeous hair every day.
Tresemme.
Pasok kung may plema, mag-Revitasen Liquid Gel. May special formula na tubig bilis ma-absorb. Bilis ang isang plema. Para ramdaman ng relief, Revitasen Liquid Gel. May liquid na pinaka-pogi mayor. Ano po, girlfriend nyo?
Nagtagal ka ng salita, ibig sabihin mag-isa-isa din.
Hindi lang ako ng ganun lang.
Ano to? Hindi daw hidden agenda.
Ay, mahal ako ako dagdagan. Pagkadang kaya intindihan tayo, patay ba?
Okay, so I got 1 minute and 1 second. Yay! I got 1 minute. I wasn't expecting that. But that was really fun. But it's kind of a bit hard. I almost died after that. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to die. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode.